The Dymo Label Manager 160 is very handy to have around the house for labeling stuff. It comes in a box. When you open your box, you first remove the plastic on the screen. The battery compartment is at the back. This you open by pressing the thumb latch, and it uses 6 AAA alkaline batteries. You notice that I'm using different batteries because that's what I've got in the house. It doesn't have to be the same, as long as they are AAA batteries. That will do. Replace the cover once you finish inserting your batteries. If you're not going to use your label maker for a long period, it's advisable to take the batteries out. The Dymo Label Manager 160 label maker uses Dymo D1 label cassettes in widths of 6mm, 9mm or 12mm. Labels are available in a wide range of colors. Lift the label cassette cover to open the label compartment. Insert the cassette and press firmly until the cassette clicks into place. This label maker comes with one free cassette. The first time you turn on the power, you are asked to select the language, label width, and the units of measure settings. Press the power button to turn on the label maker. Select the language and press OK. Select inches or millimeters and press OK. Select the width of the label cassette currently in the label maker and press OK. You've got different fonts to choose from and different letters and styles. You also have your numbers. You've got your spacer buttons, and you've got the print sign. That's the blue button on the right hand side. The cutter button is the big button on the right hand side, and it's got the scissors sign or logo. Print a label. Enter the text to create a simple label. Press the print sign and then press the cutter button that's on the right hand side. Remove the backing from the label to expose the adhesive and then attach the label. Press firmly to make sure that it sticks. I'm trying to use this label to organize my utility room. I also managed to use it to organize my kitchen cupboard. That's what my kitchen ladder looks like before I organized it. I got these containers from the pound shop. And that's what it looks like now after using the label. I also used it to organize my spice cupboard. In the fridge, and the freezer, my son thinks I've gone label crazy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.